In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create Facebook avatar. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, let's do it. Open your Facebook app. Tap your profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile. Select Create Avatar. Choose a skin tone for your Facebook avatar and tap on Next. Select a preferred hairstyle for your Facebook avatar and tap on Next. Choose a hair color for your avatar as well as a body type, either masculine or feminine body type. Tap on Next to select Outfit. Once you're okay with the outfit, tap on Done. Allow Facebook to create your avatar for you. Tap on Next, and your Facebook avatar is created. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.